Hi friends, how to remove green dust algae from fish tank glass. Green dust algae, also known as green spot algae, can be a common occurrence in fish tanks. It forms as a thin green layer on the glass surfaces and can be unsightly. Fortunately, there are several methods you can try to remove green dust algae from your fish tank glass. Manual removal. You can physically remove the algae by using a clean algae-specific scrubber or an aquarium-safe sponge. Gently scrub the affected areas in a circular motion to loosen the algae from the glass. Be cautious not to scratch the glass or disturb your fish while cleaning. Algae scraper or razor blade. An algae scraper or a clean, new razor blade can be used to scrape off the algae from the glass. Hold the scraper or blade at a slight angle and carefully scrape the algae away. This method requires caution to avoid scratching the glass, so be gentle and use a light touch. Vinegar solution. Create a solution by mixing equal parts of water and distilled white vinegar. Dip a clean cloth or sponge into the solution and gently wipe the affected areas of the glass. Vinegar can help dissolve and remove the algae. Rinse the glass thoroughly with clean water after using the vinegar solution to ensure no residue remains. Algae-eating fish or invertebrates. Introducing algae-eating fish or invertebrates, such as Siamese algae eaters, Nereid snails, or a mono shrimp, can help control and consume the green dust algae naturally. These organisms can be effective in keeping the algae population in check over time. Adjust lighting and nutrient levels. Green dust algae can thrive in conditions with excessive light and nutrients. Ensure that your aquarium receives appropriate lighting duration and intensity suitable for your fish and plants. Additionally, monitor and control nutrient levels by properly maintaining your tank's filtration system, performing regular water changes, and avoiding overfeeding. Remember, it's essential to address the underlying causes of green dust algae growth to prevent its recurrence. Maintaining a balanced ecosystem in your aquarium with appropriate lighting, water quality, and fish and plant care will help minimize algae growth and keep your tank looking clean and healthy. If you found the video useful, then please subscribe to the channel. I would be very grateful. Bye everyone.